This video is for the So You Think You Got a Shoal training, AISAP Tool Exercise 7 Part B, KML animation of a vessel tracking Google Earth. If you haven't watched the video for Exercise 7 Part A, please go ahead and do that now and then come back to this video. For Exercise 7A, we finished at Step 5, which was to click on the vessel track lines.zip button, and you would have downloaded a zipped folder. So now we'll start with Step 6. It's fine where the zip file is downloaded, then unzip the folder. If you're unsure how to do that, you can look at Step 6, but you can right-click on the folder, click on Extract, and you'll get a new folder will open up. Then we're going to go ahead and open the file within the folder. You should see a file that has a .kml extension. It should be named Columbia followed by some numbers. So I'm going to go ahead and double-click the file, and you'll see it will open up within Google Earth. So its name, numbers are the size associated with this vessel. We have shows the vessel track. Zoomed in the wrong direction. You can see I'm zooming out so we can see the full track. So you can see it goes all the way over to Mobile. Zoom in. Stretching at track back and forth. The this of the vessel back and the dredges, and then also just being static, we can change the vessel actually follow its path. We use this black bar, which will play the animation. You need to put a little space between this moon shape and the pentagon. So it takes a little practice to separate it. You can see it's separated right now. You get a little bit of a tail. So this is just one vessel, and then it's showing the tailing positions. And then I'm going to go ahead and click play, and we can see the vessel moving back and forth. You can zoom out so you can see its full position. And you can go ahead and play, or you can go ahead and try out the different settings and make it go slower, faster, so you can watch the vessel track as for you.